Today we'll learn about 9 types of API testing. So if you're a developer or a tester, testing is really important to create a high quality software. So let's start and understand what is smoke testing. Smoke testing, just like smoke, like it goes and it travels like any path. There is no specific path of the smoke. So smoke testing just validates by hitting randomly on the server that everything is working. So you simply validate if APIs are working fine. You don't expect any results or nothing. It's just that if server is down, this won't work. So different part of the application, you just randomly go click and see if it is working. That's what smoke testing is all about. Second is functional test, which test specific functionality, for example, login. So you would do some input and then based on the results, you would compare it with the expected output. So test against functional requirement. Now integration testing is kind of more detailed, wherein you have test plan and you have multiple functionalities. So it is much more detailed testing. You can think of integration test as a superset of functional testing, wherein you have lot of or all the use cases inside it. Regression test, which is when you try to do the production release, you have to make sure that you do regression testing, which means that the functionality which was working in the old application is not broken in the new application, which means the existing behavior of the API is still holds true. Now next is load testing and stress testing. So load testing is basically a kind of performance testing wherein you would simulate a lot of users to see like what is the capacity of your service. Does it scales up automatically, and when does it slows down, and other performance parameters. Stress testing is something on the similar line, but here what you try to do is you try to break the system. Usually stress testing is not done on the production environment. You could do it on pre-prod or the staging environment. What you do with stress testing is you try to figure out what's the breaking point. Like if you get 1 lakh users or 1 million users using your service at the same time, does it break or can it handle the load? That's what is stress testing. Now security testing, there are different kind of security testing like penetration testing, wherein if hacker comes in and then try to hack your system, that's where you try to figure out how secure your system is. Another is UI testing, which means when your APIs are connected with any kind of UI on your web browser or your mobile phone, iPad, like any kind of UI device, you click and test the functionality from there. Last but not least is fuzz testing. It means that you would try to pass on some fuzzy or unexpected data to the application, like try to do some kind of injection and random stuff and see if the application gives you 500 error or if it breaks or it is still stable and provides you the expected error messages and holds its true behavior. So that's what it is. I'm thankful to this guy. All these details are also on the LinkedIn post, Alex Hugh. So go ahead, check his blog. My name is Premasim Jain. Follow me for more videos on the technical side. Thank you.